Wagwan Miguel people them sugar. We're at Newlands Corner. Said that really weird. Hampshire, Hooners, Shift UK. Bit of a Friday link up. We're just filming some cars rolling in. I'm not late. I'm just on time. Nothing special. But yeah, we'll capture what's left to roll in and progress into the night. Cheeky Forester just rolling by. Another Subaru sounding vehicle. Oh yeah. Oh. We do love an MT-09. Okay. Also like an RS2 Cuzzy as well. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty raw. Each and every time I see it, man, it's just great. MT-09s are just cool. And the R9s. They're super. Got my little alert crew over there. Top down, vibing. If they start yapping, I know to look up. Well, okay then. Was that a surprise B58? Yeah, B58. 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 Jesus Christ. Okie dokie. Up the VRS. You know the deal. Oh. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. He's just loving it, isn't he? Cruising around in the big Jag. I'll literally just turn the camera off. Hold on. I'm sure I heard something pull out. Where's it gone? Oh, was it this? Yeah, it was that. Oh yeah. Oh shoot. Oh yeah. I like it. Told you it was blood clot raw. Not too shabby. Mate, everything I've tried to do this evening is not working. A very valid crash out might occur soon, I don't know. Get ahead, film the tunnel run. Doesn't happen. Oh, it's calm. I'll leave with all the cars on the way back and capture the tunnel run then. The flipping lane's closed, the tunnel's closed. Not happening, whatever. So on some back roads. Oh, you know what? I could capture some content here. Camera's not at the best angle for me to capture what's in front of me or behind me. But I've somewhat made it. I'm gonna have a cheeky walk around and we'll see where I go on. Petrol station lighting slaps as always. Cheeky RS Street Cozzy. Fans blowing. S1. And the Mercedes. Got the shed over there. MX-5 is facing the wrong way. But you do what you have to do. Couple of Shorkos. Big 5 Series. I do like those. Big Jap can on the E46. Do like that as well. Yeah, mental. Poor lad just wants some petrol. RS3, calming down. Yeah, MX-5. That Polo's sus. Cooper is just sneaking in the back there. Something sounding pretty crazy in the background. Look at the RX-7. Five Series Wagoon just sat. Little stunt MT07. I like it. I like this too. Not too shabby. Another big G80. Sorry, G82. Ignore me. Oof. Mistakes. Big diesel race. Do like that. Diesel cloud wafting over there. The ST is about to run me over. Cooper just sat. Oh, we've got the cheeky Skoda over there. Terrible diesel drivers. The ST, I believe, is leaving. That's why I said it's funny. Yo, here we go. There's a new location drop. I've relocated my car, so it's a nice, easy getaway for me, and I can sit in my boots, so I'm comfortable. Big R36. VR6, sorry. big shed. I don't advise trying to close your boot with your keys. That over there. Let's take a steady job. So most of the people. Oh shoot, let me go over there. I didn't know there was a path there. Oh, I'm going to die. Oh yeah. I'm not standing in the tunnel. I don't know what the better angle is over there though, isn't it? I can actually see what's coming. But then this side I can see further up the road a little bit. Ah, that's a bit dangerous. Okay. Now the X3M is evil, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, at least one part of this evening, I see blue lights. Okay, it's an amber lamp, it's fine. At least one part of this evening has actually gone okay. I've got a bit of footage, all of that jazz. I'm going to go get in my car and catch the rest of the people there. Who even parks like an idiot anyways? Like, who does that nowadays? Oh, what? That spool sounds mad, I'm not gonna lie. Sorry, it's freezing sounding nice today, you know. Alright, let's try and stop this sign from blocking us. starter. That makes the big bad boy bangs. Pause. Get a bit more cars coming through. GK MX-5, got the 370 over there, hopefully it spins round. Big sneeze from the Fiesta. Oh, I forgot about it. Can I move this sign for like 5 minutes? Better yet. Oh mate, I am a genius sometimes. Can't lie. Sauce. Oh. Yeah. I just got sideways. Yeah, buddy. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, I did get hella confused seeing red lights coming towards me. I generally thought the car was reversing. Yeah, I thought the car was backwards on the roundabout because I just saw red. I thought it was brake lights. Oh, it's a Skoda again. Dirty diesel. Beep beep to you too. The 370 Duo you didn't know you needed to see. Never too late for a cheeky car wash, is it? To be fair, I've washed my car at some obscene times at night. You just have to do what you have to do. But on that note, I'm gonna head home now. Satisfied, not too shabby of a night. It turned out alright in the end. But this is the good thing about local meets as well. It's gonna take me 10 minutes to get home. Lovely. Lovely stuff.